Welcome to Everything Computerized. I am CA, and today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install the latest version of MySQL to run SQL queries. So watch this video till end and let's get started. If you are trying to reinstall MySQL, then you may want to remove its older configurations to avoid the current root password check at the time of installation. You can watch a video to do that correctly. I will be giving the link of that video in the description as well as in the info cards above. To install MySQL, we first need to download it. So open your favorite web browser and there you need to search for MySQL. You need to make sure that your computer is connected to internet. And if you don't know how to figure that out, you can watch a video on how to connect your computer to internet. So once you have searched for MySQL, you need to click on the link that heads to www.mysql.com, and when you click on it, you will be on the home page of MySQL. Now you need to click on the downloads section and we will be inside the downloads page. Scroll to the bottom and you will be finding MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on this link, and now here we need to click on MySQL installer for Windows. It will be present in the first column, second last row. Click on that link and we will be on the download page of MySQL for Windows. On the time of upload of this video, the latest version of MySQL is 8.0.26, and when you are watching this video, the version might be different, so you don't need to worry about the version. There are two options for installing MySQL. The first one is the web installer, and when you download it and run it, it will start to download files over the internet. And the second option is the offline installer. It will have all of the files included into the downloaded file. So we will be downloading the offline installer. So you need to click on the download button. And now here you need to click on a link that says no thanks, just start my download. And as soon as you click on that, your download of MySQL installer will begin. So once your MySQL installer has been downloaded, you need to run it. So for that you can click on it here, or you can go to your downloads folder and then you can double click on the installed application and then run it. So I will be clicking on this icon and then it will open the MySQL installer. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your computer, so wait for it to finish. So you can see that the MySQL installer wizard is in front of us. You need to select the developer default option and then you need to click on next. Now you need to click on next and then you need to click on yes. And now you need to click on execute and it will start to install all of the applications that are required to run MySQL. It will take some time to finish, so till then you can have your coffee. Once the installation of all of the applications are complete, you can click on next, and now you need to click on next again, and now you need to click on next again, click on next, and now you need to choose a password for your MySQL. I will recommend you to put a very simple password so that you don't forget it easily, and also I will be putting 1234 as my own password, which you can also put in your case, so that in future if you forget it, you can return back to this video and you will get the password that you had set. So once you have put the password, click on next, and now click on next again, and now click on execute. It will take some time to finish, so wait patiently for it to complete. So once this process has been completed, click on finish, and now click on next, and now click on finish, and then click on next again. And now here you need to put the password that you had set. So in my case I had set 1234 as my password. And now click on check, and now click on next. Click on execute and it will again take some time to finish. So once it's complete, click on finish, click on next, and then click on finish again. So it will open up the MySQL shell and the MySQL workbench, so you can close them both. And now we have successfully installed MySQL on a computer. Let's close this Chrome window and let's check if our MySQL has been installed successfully or not. So go to start, and then you need to click on MySQL 8.0 command line client. And now you will be asked for the MySQL password. So we had set 1234 as our password, and now click enter, and we will be inside the MySQL command line client. Here you can run all of your SQL queries. If you want to learn SQL, you can watch my SQL tutorial that is present on my channel. I will be giving the link of that playlist in the info card above and also in the description. If this video helped you out in any way, don't forget to leave a like, and also if you have any queries, you can comment them down in the comment section, or you can contact me on Instagram. If you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any video that might be important for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.